Ever wondered why we get those annoying hiccups at the most inconvenient times? Well, let me tell you what's actually happening inside your body during these weird little spasms. When you hiccup, your diaphragm, that's the muscle below your lungs, suddenly contracts. At the exact same time, a tiny trapdoor in your throat called the glottis snaps shut, creating that classic hic sound we all know too well. But here's the fascinating part. Scientists think hiccups might be a leftover from our evolutionary past, similar to how tadpoles use them to help breathe. So next time you're fighting those pesky hiccups, remember you're experiencing a tiny piece of ancient history. Pretty cool, right?